You guys might be wondering what happened yesterday. I got out with a 1 to 2 yesterday. After I got out for a 1 to 2, price kind of kept pushing up till the 50% retracement, kind of just stuttered there and then pushed down and continued going down. So, there's new things to learn. It's really just how much I'm willing to risk to really get the prize. And in this case, price really just showed me that if you really want the 1 to 4, 1 to 5, you got to be super patient. You have to be okay with price coming back to the 50% retracement. That was a bar. If you guys know me, my goal is to get to the top. I'm not profitable, disclaimer, I'm not profitable, that's my goal. And if you guys want to join me, link down below, Traders Headquarters, and I'll catch you all there and let's get into this video. It may be a very quick video just because of how everything's going. Yo guys, this is probably a very bad day. This is another bad Friday. We can clearly see here. You know what, we're actually gonna replay it so you guys can see what I went through, right? So GU, was nice. Really, this is where I got in for GU, something like this. Took a sell right here. Dead ass. The reason why I hopped in late, even though price was up here, was because really I got up at 6 o'clock. So when 6 o'clock happened, this whole candle already happened, and I was like, I didn't want to miss the move. So when price started doing this, I was like, okay, cool, it's pushing down. And as soon as it did something like this, I literally got out, came back a bit, it got out. I got out literally at this time just because price wasn't looking too well. Like, we go to the 30-minute time frame. Price wasn't looking too well. Like, I can see price pushing to the downside from here, but usually what price usually does is price, does the phase 1, phase 2. When phase 3 happens, it's usually during London, like London Open. In this case, it was way before London Open. So, price the whole move before London Open, and London Open was around actually at the liquidity of the top side, which this could also be a part of the expansion too, to push to the downside. That's what I thought. What really happened is obviously I got finessed and price was still playing. I could see that me just trying to catch this is stupid because obviously I took a sell here, it didn't really work. I didn't really want to miss the move down because it looked like I was respecting the 50% retracement. So I took another sell here, price just continued sustainably up. So I literally got out here, I'm pretty sure, or a bit lower, one of them. I got out at a certain point, but I got out a bit earlier just because of how price was moving. Wasn't too well. And then I literally got in. I saw this whole move here, guys. I saw this whole move. I didn't think this was actually going to continue going down from this huge sell because I just thought it was bullshit. Price started to come up right here. I was like, okay, I don't want to miss out. I had FOMO once again. Took another sell. Something like that. Price just drilled down. I was like, cool. And then price started rejecting. It wasn't continuing going down too much. I was like, okay, I want to hop out if price touches back. So this was the break even. After the break even, I was like, you know what? The reason why I actually put for break even is because price was looking like a massive range, something like this, like that. So I was thinking price was gonna grab here and push to the downside. By the way, this yellow line is liquidity. I just didn't think price was gonna react off that liquidity. So price pushed up and I was like, okay, cool. Hasn't done nothing weird yet. Boom, I was about to take a sell right here, enjoy my day. Let's see what price does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was in at this time. Price was doing good, it was trailing, then it came back up really quickly. I was like, okay, probably just grabbing liquidity. So in this case, I'm pretty sure I got out right here. Pretty sure I did. Something like this, because I didn't think price was gonna come all the way back up. I should have understood that there was still liquidity at the top to be grabbed. And yeah, if I just had my stop loss, 15 pips, something like that, let's see what would have happened. So right now I would be in profits. The reason why I didn't have it in 15 pips is because I didn't think price was going to grab that because it just already grabbed this previous liquidity right here. And for euro, took a sell here. It was when I started to think about it, it was probably the dumbest move I've ever done because, it was a break and retest on the daily open from price coming up from the expansion. So it was kind of looking weird. Should have probably stayed out of it. And really, things I got to learn from this is really just take better sells, because if I took at least a sell like here, which could have been from a liquidity grab, boom, take that sell down, of course price doing all that. This would have at least brought my stop loss to break even. Let me just double check. Would have brought my stop loss. No, it wouldn't have brought my stop loss to break even, but I touched the daily open, which would have still brought my stop loss to around even. And so obviously price broke through, so I would have just been through. I would have been looking for more entries, and then I would see that price has grabbed the previous liquidity without coming back down. So I'll go for another 10. And you can clearly see that it's just shit. So either way, guys, from the trades I took like around 4 trades today, but I ended up within my loss limit, a bit less than that. I can calculate it right now. So yeah, today I lost around like $51. really just 2 trades usually, and I took like 4. The reason why I've saved that much, if we look on the good side of it, is because I brought my stop loss to break even a few times just because of how price was acting, and it's Friday. And yeah, that's really why. And what the fuck? GU is just pushing. Like GU's just had enough, right? I was taking sells, I was taking multiple sells. Like the one that I was really trying to focus on is GU. And what I can just say from GU, guys, is just that GU is just fuckery. You know, GU is just playing around the whole time, and I kind of got schooled. So I just need to learn more and just understand and just be smarter. Because if I was smarter here, I would have just been in this trade for literally about a 1 to 2 right now, and I would have covered all of my losses. But you know, more to learn, guys, more to learn. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So yeah, guys, we have made it to Friday. If you guys like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll probably catch you all tomorrow with a cool video. Peace.